This is the fastest way to add viral transitions to your edits, and it's by using my workflow that I've created using my viral transitions pack. With my viral transitions, all you need to do is just drag and drop any transition preset into After Effects, and you will instantly have a viral transition. So now let's just jump into After Effects and I'll show you how to use the viral transitions. So inside of After Effects, I already have my clips placed out, and all you need to do is just press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer, and once you have installed the viral transition presets, you will already have it right here, and you'll be able to drag and drop any preset. So for example, a super dope transition to add here is Insane Warp. So just take it and drag and drop into your adjustment layer. And this is how the Insane Warp transition looks like. That is an absolutely crazy transition, but one thing we can do is combine this preset with viral transition overlays that I have included inside of the pack. So let me just drag and drop the 3D money lightning hit, which is just absolutely crazy. So let me just drag and drop it, put it below the adjustment layer, and here is how the combination looks with the 3D money hit and the Insane Warp. So after this transition, we can transition from right here to this clip. So for that, we can again press Ctrl+Y, and here I'm going to add a really nice transition, a rotation madness. So just take it and drag and drop it. So this is how the rotation madness effect looks like, very popular in music videos. And now moving on from this clip to this clip, we can press Ctrl+Y again, and here you can use like anything, like for example like a displacer transition. And this is how the displacer transition would look like. That is super dope. But here we can mess around a bit more, like maybe let's press Ctrl+Y again, and I want to try something different. So we can try the slow warp effect, and this is how the slow warp looks like. That is insanely cool, but we can actually combine it with some other transition overlays. So for example, we can do the 3D bullet explosion overlay. Let's drag and drop it, and this is how it's going to look with the 3D bullet explosion. And from this clip to the next clip, we can press Ctrl+Y again, and I mean we could just try out so many different transitions. One of the coolest transitions you can do is like really short ones. So for example, a wipe lines transition. So let's just drag and drop it, and this is how the wipe lines transition looks like. It's a really popular transition nowadays in edits, as you probably have seen. Another transition you could add here is like something like quick, and this is how the quick transition looks like. Very dope. And I guess after the transition happens, we can combine it with other overlays. So like, let's drag and drop the 3D golden SMG hit overlay. And this is what we would get with the 3D SMG hit. And like at the start, if we wanted, we could also drag and drop like a 3D sniper bullets flying in overlay. So let's just drag and drop it. And this is how all of the transitions combined would look like, that we just added super quickly. But I mean, we're just like not even halfway there. There's way more presets here, way more overlays that you can just add. Everything just looks really nice if you combine it. So yeah, that's pretty much how we use the viral transitions pack, and as you guys have seen, this is easily the best way to add transitions in After Effects. So I definitely recommend to check out the viral transitions, and I'll have them linked in the description so you can download them in an instant download.